can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite items from the Supreme Fall Winter 2020 season. These aren't going to be in any specific order. I'm just going to talk about the items that are my favorite, the ones that did stand out. There's low-key like some shit flying around me right now. I don't know what that is. I'm going to go ahead and discuss my favorite items. I'll let you guys know if I feel like they'll have resell. I'm honestly going to talk about them quickly because there's like 25 items and I don't want to be here for over 20 minutes. Like that's too long, bro. Like come on, bro. I got shit to do. Like I low-key haven't even ate. But if y'all do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And please, bro, go ahead and slap that like and subscribe. That definitely would mean a lot, bro. If you guys do enjoy these kind of videos that I'm putting out, just let me know by slapping that like. And in the comments, comment something that you would like me to do on the channel. I promise you I will bring you guys some heat ASAP. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So like I was saying before, this list is in no specific order. I'm honestly gonna start with the cards that came out this past week simply because they already released, but this is probably one of my favorite items from the season. Nonetheless, I still haven't found somebody that's trying to sell them for a decent price. If you have these and are willing to let them go, let me know in the comments or just hit me on my DM on Instagram. I'm really looking to buy these cards. These shits are so fire. I feel like these are gonna go up in the future, but personally I would end up using these shits. I just feel like they're so clean. I love playing blackjack and all these different type of card games, so these would definitely be used. Fire ass accessory in my opinion. I love when they did the dominoes, the gold cards, and these are just as sick. I feel like I have to have these. Another favorite for me, and maybe a lot of people won't like this one, it is the Peace hooded sweatshirt. This one is a banger in my opinion, specifically in that black or the camo colorway. Both of those are just so clean, like an everyday hoodie to me. It has that small Supreme branding on the front, has that Peace logo on the back. This one is just fire, bro. I love when they do old English font, and this one stands for something cool, which is another plus to me. I feel like this one resale wise might not be all the way up there because people aren't really loving this piece, but this is just a personal favorite that I honestly really am excited to go for. Hopefully people sleep on this one. This one in black has to come home with me. But next up we got like this Sherpa jacket that is reversible. It has the Supreme box logo on there. I normally don't even go for like zip ups with no hood and shit like that, but this one is pretty clean, bro. As far as resale goes, this one is gonna do crazy numbers. I could see this going for 350 to 400 off the gate, especially in that red, yellow, black color, because the jacket's reversible first of all, so when you reverse it, it's black, and then when you throw it on in that bright ass color with the red box logo, people are gonna be loving this shit. I know resale for this one's gonna be crazy, but it would be dope to have this in the collection. Even the pink with that tan colorway is fire to me. We do got this like patchwork tie-dye-ish looking sweater. This one is clean only in one colorway, and it would be that gray with the cream and the blue Supreme branding. That one's actually fire. The other three colorways are kind of dookie to me. Even that black one with like the bleach stains, I'm gonna all that shit, but that cream with the blue, that one's hard, bro. I definitely gotta have that one because if you wear that one with some flints and some black jeans, you killing the game. Like it's simple, it's subtle, but you killing them softly. Like bro, that shit is fire. I don't know how resale will do, but still think it's clean. I'm not even gonna lie. We do have these phone cases, which low-key I feel like they don't drop very often, and the last time they dropped it, it was the Mophie case, so I'm definitely gonna have to go for this one. Hopefully the new iPhones that come out in October do have this same kind of silhouette, so I can go ahead and get that, because if y'all don't know, my screen is destroyed. Like this shit is cracked all over the place. It's almost time to get a new phone, so I hope that this fits the new iPhone, because I would definitely want to get this in that black and white color or that black and blue camo. Both of those are hard in my opinion. I do feel like these will actually have some type of resale because people do have iPhones. Like it's just the way that life is, and I feel like a lot of people would like to have these. A lot of people use the fake shits already, so these are gonna fly. People are gonna want to pay resale for these if it's not too steep. Like if it's a $30 case, I'm in there. If it's $100, they could keep that. Like bro, they can keep that. We got like this all over print hoodie right here. I don't know how to feel about this. I am a fan of the fact that it has like letters all over it, but I don't know how to feel. I think the hoodie in black is fire, but the denim jacket and that light blue denim is bananas. If I could go for that denim jacket in that specific colorway, I would definitely go for it. I feel like that denim jacket is low-key gonna do good resale wise, because people do love denim jackets, and especially when they have like a lot going on, but when it's subtle. Like that denim jacket has a lot going on, but it's still smooth. Like it's not a lot of colors, it's not too much shit to the point where nobody would want to have it. I feel like it is a clean jacket, especially in that blue. Like I said before, this hoodie is pretty clean as well, but I feel like I would end up sleeping on the hoodie and get the jacket. Next up, we got this Peacoat Burberry coat. Oh man,
Peacoat Burberry falls. Oh man,
this coat is fire, bro. I don't even go for shit like this typically, and low-key my height is impairing me from really getting this jacket right here, but it is fire, bro. This is one of those pieces that you get from Supreme and it's like, yo, they made that? I didn't even know they made that type of stuff. That's this jacket right here. I'm actually a huge fan of this one. This is like a December 31st type jacket right here. Like you pull this off with like some nice little boot shoes and some nice little pants and you freaking it. But I don't think this is for everybody. If you could pull this off, you could pull it off. Probably would have resell in the right market. Like if you're selling to the right person, this is gonna end up doing good. We do have this knife coming out. I think it's like a butterfly knife. I do typically like going for the Supreme knives. I don't know, they just look so cool to me. I do have the samurai one, I have the utility looking knife, and I have the sag knife. I don't know every name. I think I have like 3 of them if I'm not mistaken. I would definitely want to go for this one right here in that black colorway. This one is definitely fire. It kind of reminds me of a knife that they did a super long time ago. Fire piece. But next up, we got the Resell Puffy Coat. This shit is hard, bro. This is one of those jackets where the other 3 colorways are straight ass, and this one color, the Resell one, is crazy, bro. It's like a cream color with receipts all over it. Then it has a 3M Supreme branding going across the bottom. This shit is fire, bro. If I could get my hands on this, I definitely would. But I know that whenever this shit releases, it's over. Like the shit is gonna sell out quick enough to the point where you might not even be able to see it on the website. This jacket is hard, and if people sleep on it, I'm in there, bro. I'm in the building trying to cop this jacket. We actually do have these box logos coming out, and this is like a debatable topic because a lot of people don't like them and a lot of people love them. I feel like the gray color with that red box logo is kind of atrocious. The other colorways are actually pretty clean. When it's tonal, it looks a lot better. That gray with the red is definitely not doing it for me. It's just too loud, way too much going on a piece. But that grayish black color, like that washed black, bro, like come on. A lot of those other colorways that have the tonal box logos are fire. Besides that, like gray with the red, I would go for any color almost. That sage olive, nuts. That black, that navy, the purple, the cream, come on, bro. Even the red is fire. It's just that gray one that is not doing it for me. But I do want to say that if you guys are interested in checking out any of these pieces, you should definitely go ahead and check out Addictio. They actually are going to be restocking, and you don't want to miss out. It's going to be super limited. If you do want to go ahead and check that out, you should go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and sign up for their newsletter. So as soon as they do restock, you have the opportunity to go ahead and cop Addictio. They actually did manage to cook up this past week for a lot of people. They managed to get it for a lot of people, like I said before, and the bot does cost $130. It's a one-time fee, but with my promo code, you can get it for 10% off. Also, if you can't afford it all in one, you can separate it into 4 payments using Resell. They actually cover like 85 plus stores, including Kith, Supreme, Undefeated, Palace, Vape. They recently added Yeezy supply on there as well, so you could cook up on some Yeezys. They have a Discord group which low-key gives you the keywords to enter on the Supreme week, and if you need any help, you can also reach out to them and they will get back to you. But if you are interested, just go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and sign up for their newsletter in order to go ahead and buy Addictio. But let's go ahead and talk about the rest of these items and then get straight up out the building. So undoubtedly, one of my favorite designs coming out for this whole season has to be the Ariel design. The crew neck, let's not even talk about it, bro. That's like top 2 from my whole season. Like everything that I want from this season, that crew neck is fire. And if you know me, you know that I barely even wear crew necks in general. So the fact that I want this one right here does say a lot. Every colorway in this is fire besides the magenta, because low-key, come on, like come on, let's be realistic. I'm not gonna wear that color, but the cream one is nuts. The yellow, the burgundy, the navy, the black, all of those are fire in my opinion. I definitely would love to get this piece. I love the fact that it's on a crew neck, it's on a jean jacket, which let's talk about the jean jacket, bro. This is gonna go for like $600 to $700. Low-key, I would love to have this, but I already know what's gonna happen when this releases. Like prices are gonna go beyond doable, bro. Like I'm not paying resale for this jacket. I would love to, but I just know where it's gonna go. It's gonna retail for $230. It's gonna resell off the rip for like $500. It's a beautiful jacket. Got the Empire State Building on there with the Supreme logo being dragged by a plane with the sun setting in the background. Like, dude, come on. I feel like the crew neck is gonna have great resell as well. Probably like $260, $280, and it will go up as time goes on. I feel like these pieces are just nuts. Like they did really good this season. There's a lot of pieces that I really am a fan of, I'm not gonna lie. One item that is an honorable mention is this Jacob & Co watch. This shit is gonna be so expensive that I won't be able to go for it, but it's fire. Like if I had the money, I would go for this. Back in the day, rappers used to be wearing this shit heavy. It actually does have real diamonds around it. If I was to get one, I would go for the black, but the red is fire as well, bro. You can't go wrong with either color on that. This Mortal Kombat arcade machine is, bro, that's probably like my favorite item this whole season. Low key, I feel like retail is gonna be like $400 or $500, maybe $600, and I would pay $1,000 for this shit resale. Like I'm calling it now. If I could get it for a rack, I'm paying a rack for it. This shit is crazy, bro. The fact that you could have Mortal Kombat collaborating with Supreme as an arcade machine is unbeatable, bro. Like that's final boss when it comes to Supreme right there. Like that shit is so clean. Resale is gonna be there. Like come on, let's be realistic. I just hope they make a good amount of these. But we do got this canvas book bag. Both of them are fire. I do need a book bag from Supreme, and low-key I'm debating on going for this one. I just feel like it's gonna be a little bit too small. I do typically go away on the weekends, so I don't know if this would fit everything that I would want to carry. I still think it's a fire ass book bag in my opinion. But we do have a couple more accessories to cover, including this step stool right here. The step stool is actually hard. I am a fan of it in every single colorway, low-key. I kind of would gravitate towards getting it in blue simply because everything I have from Supreme is either red or black. I love when they do different colorways for accessories. This blue one is actually standing out a whole lot. I feel like resale would be good if the retail isn't too high. I definitely am a fan of this piece. The Supreme Colgate, bro, like they don't fail at doing fire ass shit. They did the Oreos, they've done band-aids, they've done a lot of shit that you can actually use on a day-to-day basis, and now they're creating something so your breath ain't rocking in the morning. Like bro, this is hard. You can't go wrong with this. It's another one of those cheap accessories that you could just buy. If I could get 10 of these, I'll buy 10 of these, low-key. So fire. We do got the fish bowl, bro. My fish is gonna be swimming in style when it comes to this Supreme fish bowl. Low-key, I am excited to buy this. I don't know if I'll buy a fish right away, but I definitely do want to buy a fish and put it in this shit, because like bro, come on. We got this Supreme lamp. I guess this is like a lamp that you could plug in, charge it, and it lasts 24 hours. It has that big ass Supreme box logo on it, and it kind of has like this mushroom futuristic top to it. Pretty clean in my opinion. I feel like resale for this, the fish bowl, the Mortal Kombat thing, the watches is there for all the accessories. Typically if you do wait a little while, they definitely will go up as time goes on. This lamp would definitely stay in the collection. We also do have this power bank. The fact that you could turn your car on with Supreme is like next level shit. Like bro, this is like Mophie in 2030. Like you don't even understand where they going with it, but they know what they doing. This is fire. I feel like low-key we got 2 more items to talk about, then we're straight up out the building. One of these is probably like an item that a lot of people wouldn't even go for, and it's this beanie right here with this old English font. I don't know why, but it just gives me like vintage vibes. It has like this camo on it, old English Supreme font, and then it says Paris on the back. It doesn't even have a cuff on the beanie, and low-key I don't even know if I would be able to get it personally because my head is big as shit. This would low-key look like a suction cup on my head, so I don't even know if I could pull this this off, but I just think it looks cool. We got this last hoodie right here, which I believe is the LSD hoodie or like the acid trip hoodie. I don't know exactly. It's just like this all over print design that actually looks crazy to me, bro. I would really love to have either the hoodie or the pants. They both go hard. It has like this sun flame on one side. One sleeve is black. The whole hoodie is cream. It has a whole lot of shit going on. It says Supreme brain cells. It's a lot going on, but low-key, this is probably my favorite hoodie besides that peaceful hoodie that we saw earlier. I feel like Resell would do great on that piece as well, simply because it's one of those all over print hoodies and a lot of people do love those. And also typically when it comes to these kind of hoodies, they do less quantity, so they do end up doing better in the long run. But that pretty much does it for my top 25 items releasing from Supreme Fall Winter 2020. If you guys did enjoy this video, slap a fat like. Let's see if we could get this to 200 likes. If you could get 200 or 250 likes, I'll drop the dookiest pieces releasing from this season. Hey, I might even sip a little, get twisted a little, and we gonna roast the ugly shit. Like, bro, there's a bunch of dookie smoothie pieces that deserve the attention if y'all get 250 likes on this video. But subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe, bro. Like, please subscribe. We are on a mission to reach 20K before the year is over. Let's see if we can make this shit happen. But I thank each and every one of you who always come back to the channel and just show some love. It means the world to me, and I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.